What's going on, everybody? I've got 3 stocks to talk about here that are going to be releasing earnings in just a couple of days here. We're going to go over Workhorse, Bngo stock, and Sensionics. And I'm also going to feature a Workhorse video, and I'll leave it down below their actual YouTube page so you can see a couple other videos, but I'm going to feature one video here. So let's get right into this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that short little clip and a glance into what Workhorse has been up to. They also have some other videos going into their drones recently and other juicy little things. But I did want to bring up earnings here, of course, for these companies, and Workhorse is going to be reporting earnings on March 1. This is going to be Wednesday, just a couple days from now. And this is a stock that has broken its May 11 low, and its low point was actually the end of 2022. One thing I notice here is a bit of a head and shoulders. Those 3 points there. And also, we aren't able to flip the EMAs. The 50 EMA has consistently been on the bottom, and we need to see that flip the 100 and 200, and we haven't seen that in quite a long time. I did want to mention that they are expecting around $10 million in revenue, which could definitely be an all-time great quarter just where revenue is concerned. No, this company is not profitable, and it will be quite a while till they get there. There's your reminder that this is very high risk. And we've also got Sensionics stock, or SENS, reporting. This is going to be March 7, and I will be covering it and giving you guys an edited, cleaned up version of their earnings call, so stick around for that. And looking at Sensionics, this is one that has maintained its May 11 low. Right here, we haven't gone down that low since May 11. And currently this stock is under $1. Typically when it goes under $1, it gets quickly bought up. I'm going to sit back and see how it performs under $1. But one thing you'll notice here is for their earnings, they are expecting a record-breaking quarter when you're talking about revenue. And it's going to be important to hear some things from the call regarding their European market and regarding how many CGMs, or continuous glucose monitoring devices, they have actually installed and what adoption of their CGM looks like. Have we been seeing patients use their product more often or not? But just like Workhorse, this cannot flip the EMAs. And our last attempt, the 50 almost broke the 100. It just did not crack it, and we continued down. And believe it or not, the last time we flipped the EMAs was back here in 2020 in December. It had a pop, finally broke the EMAs here, and just continued to absolutely skyrocket. A lot of money being pumped during that time, but you can use these indicators to your advantage. We haven't seen a flip of the 3 EMAs in all this time, and I do think seeing a flip will bring Sensionics a lot of momentum. It's just a matter of actually seeing that flip, seeing the 50, flip the 100, and then finally flip the 200. Some could argue this is still in a bearish downtrend. Some could argue this is an accumulation zone that we've started since May 11. It's been pretty much sideways ever since. And if you're a long-term investor, you've been likely taking advantage of Sensionics during this whole long sideways action that we've been seeing. Now, I also wanted to bring up Bngo stock. This one is reporting just like Sensionics on March 7. It's going to be a very busy day for me, and I will be giving you guys an edited, cleaned up version of their earnings call as well, and my reaction to what happened on their earnings when it comes out. And as for Bngo on the chart, I did a previous video covering that. I'll leave it down below for you, or leave it at the end screen, but it had a very rough week last week, and can definitely see some more uncertainty as we head towards earnings. But what do you think about these 3 stocks? Which ones are you following, and what else are you following lately in the market? Let me know down below. Thanks as always, guys, and have a good day.